Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on creating engaging Instagram Reels. In this screencast, we'll explore how to use Instagram's native tools to craft captivating Reels that'll resonate with your audience. Whether you're a brand looking to expand your reach or an individual aiming to share your creativity, mastering Reels is a powerful way to enhance your Instagram presence. Let's begin by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Next, we'll tap the plus icon at the bottom center to create a new post. Now, to access the Reels feature, select Reel from the options at the bottom of the screen. You're now in the Instagram Reels interface, ready to create your video. Before we start recording, it's essential to plan your content. Have a clear idea of the story or message you want to convey. Remember, Reels are short-form videos. Aim for a length between 7 to 30 seconds for optimal engagement. To start recording, click the camera icon. There are two ways to create your Reel. You can create it live in the Instagram app, or you can create videos outside of Instagram and upload it to the Instagram app. We'll go over the live editing first. To start recording, press and hold the record button. Capture your first clip. You can record multiple clips by releasing the button and pressing it again for each new segment. This allows you to create seamless transitions and tell a more dynamic story. For hands-free recording, use the timer feature on the top. This is especially useful for capturing scenes where you need to be in the frame. Once you've recorded all your clips, tap Next to review your footage and make sure everything looks good. Now we'll move on to uploading videos that we've already created onto Instagram for Reels. You'll start with pressing the plus button again and clicking on Reels. Instagram will pull up your camera roll and you'll select the clips that you want to use. Now let's add some visual flair to our reel. Tap the effects icon to explore the available filters and effects. You can browse through a wide range of effects, from subtle filters to more dramatic visual enhancements. Choose effects that complement your content without being too overwhelming. Once you find an effect you like, simply tap it to apply it to your reel. Now I'm back on my timeline and I noticed that the video clips that I selected were a little too long, so I'm going to edit them directly in the app by choosing split and deleting the extra footage. I also want to reorder my clips, so I'm going to hold down one of my clips and then put one in front of the other. Now let's talk about transitions. Transitions help you smoothly move from one clip to another, creating a seamless and engaging experience. To select a transition style, click the white box in between your clips. Experiment with different styles to find what best suits your reel's flow. After applying your effects and transitions, watch and review your reel to ensure everything looks and flows as intended. Now let's add some audio to our reel. Music can significantly enhance the mood and engagement of your video. You can browse through a wide selection of music tracks. Instagram also highlights trending audio, which can help your reel reach a wider audience. Once you find a track you like, simply tap it to add it to your reel. You can adjust the volume of the music and select the specific portion of the track you want to use. This allows you to perfectly align the audio with your video clips. Syncing your audio with your video clips is crucial for creating a polished and professional reel. Pay attention to the beat of the music and try to align your clips with it. After adding and syncing your audio, tap Preview, review your reel to ensure everything sounds and looks great. Now let's add some text overlays to our reel. Text can help emphasize key points, add context, or simply make your reel more engaging. To add text, you can just tap your screen and type in your text using the keyboard. You can customize the font and color of your text to match your reel's aesthetic and ensure readability. You can adjust the size of your text using pinch to zoom gestures. You can also align the text to the left, center, or right, and drag it around your screen. As you drag around your text, Instagram will show grid lines for you to stay inside. If you place your text outside of those lines, it will not make for a user-friendly experience. You can add multiple text overlays to your reel. Simply tap the screen again and repeat the process. After adding your text overlays, preview your reel and ensure everything looks good and is easy to read. Now let's make our reel more accessible by adding captions. This helps viewers who are watching without sound or those who have hearing impairments. To use Instagram's automatic captioning feature, select Captions. Instagram will then generate captions based on the audio in your reel. Once the captions are generated, you can edit the look and feel of the captions. It's also crucial to review the text for accuracy. Automatic captioning isn't always perfect, so you may need to make some edits. If you prefer to add captions manually, you can do that by typing them out like you would with adding text overlays. This gives you complete control over the accuracy and timing of your captions. Whether you're using automatic or manual captions, make sure they align perfectly with the spoken content in your reel. This ensures clarity and enhances the viewer's experience. Now that we've added all our elements, it's time to review our reel. Tap the preview button to watch it from start to finish. Watch your reel carefully, paying attention to how the clips flow together, how the audio aligns, and whether your intended message is conveyed effectively. As you watch, note any areas that need improvement. This could be a clip that's too long, audio that's out of sync, or an effect that doesn't quite fit. Repeat the review and editing process until your reel flows perfectly and conveys your intended message. Now that we're happy with our reel, it's time to publish it. Tap Next to proceed to the caption and sharing options. Craft a compelling caption that complements your reel and encourages engagement. Ask a question, tell a story, or provide context to your video. Don't forget to add relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability of your reel. Use a mix of broad and niche hashtags that relate to your content. Instagram will show you how many posts have used that same hashtag. You can also tag people if you want and add a location, as well as add an AI label if you used AI to generate this. Once you're ready, tap Share to publish your reel to your feed and the Reels tab. Your reel is now live. You can view it on your feed and in the Reels tab. Share it with your friends and followers and watch the engagement roll in. Creating engaging reels is a dynamic way to connect with your audience. By following these steps and experimenting with different techniques, you can produce reels that captivate and inspire. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep creating and refining your skills.